Krispy Kremes, pizza.
Yes, pizza. What are you thinking right now? Ding. Got something to think about.
I'm thinking that this sweet tea
Gotta be sweet enough. You know what I'm saying?
is finally sweet, baby.
Finally sweet.
I put that D-Toro touch on it.
Hold up, y'all. I'm not a Christmas gift.
Well, why are you wrapped up then? If you're not a Christmas gift?
I don't know. Hey, this is Kevin Hart's brother.
I'm funny though. I just ain't paid. I'm broke. I tell you what. The sweet tea is a hit.
It's a hit. Now it's a hit. 2 of the seasons. 2 big jolly fa la 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 la. Okay. Take this commercial. This is Batman, a dog. No, actually, pig.
A pig. Can they still see us?
No. Oh, we are on it. It's Mercedes. It's my cousin Devon.
Give me the sweet tea. Give me the sweet tea. Hey, you know what? I got a question.
He got a question.
I've been going to McDonald's.
Yep.
35 years. Ain't never seen a real Ronald McDonald. Where is the real Ronald McDonald? With the real Ronald McDonald, please stand up. With the real Ronald McDonald, stand up.
Hey, hold up, y'all. I gotta go to sleep for a minute.
Cause we ain't seen Mickey D's yet. Where is Wendy?
Where's Wendy?
She has to be an adult by now, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, we see the chick from Popeyes. I ain't never seen the chick from Popeyes, but I seen the chick from Popeyes. I mean, I see chickens all the time. You know what I'm saying? Never seen a real Ronald McDonald. I seen a plastic Ronald McDonald.
Yes, you did.
But I never seen a real Ronald McDonald.
Yes.
IJS. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, if you on text, do your text IJS.
Oh, for all y'all haters out there, this is for you. You so sorry?
Yeah. The fish just punched me in the face, man.
Yeah. No, I've been like boom, dynamite, boom, dynamite.
I never do that. I like women.
Wow.
We gotta air this.
Thinking.
We gotta air this. We are thinking.
Yeah, we're thinking about you getting hit in the face. Kapow, you suckers.
We can put it on YouTube.
Oh yeah, we can. You got YouTube?
Yeah, got YouTube there.
Yeah. No, but
what grown man don't got a YouTube? You don't got a YouTube?
Who don't got a Facebook?
Hey, here's a secret.
It's a secret.
If you don't got a YouTube,
use
your Gmail.
Yeah. Use your Gmail or your Yahoo. Yeah.
You can't use that.
Well, go to Google.
You can't go to Google.
Oh, well, use your Gmail.
Use your
Gmail.
Hey, this is a message brought to you by
the bear.
Oh.
whole time. We got 5 minutes on the clock. We got 5 minutes on the clock. And I'm still looking good.
Man, we gotta share this, Bird. We could be famous.
Yes. We got to make it no more.